Good morning, guys. Today is the day 23rd, and I'm going to tell you about myself. And I'm trying to give this answer as many times as I can give, and I'm trying to uh, improve me in every answer. Uh, till when I am not improving properly, I'm going to answer this question. And it is the question which is asked by many interviewers in mostly interviews. If you can answer this properly, then you can crack the interview, I think, because first impression is the last impression. So I'm going to tell you about myself. And my name is Sandeep Singh. Originally, I am from Bareilly, Uttar Pradesh, and currently I live in and I have completed my post graduation from Mahatma Jyotiba Phule Royalkhan University. And currently, I live in New Delhi, and I work as an executive security at Oaks Management Consultancy Private Limited. And as executive security, my responsibilities are security supervision, security management, staff deployment, incident recording, patrolling, MIS data reporting, and MIS data uh, MIS data management, and inventory management, AMC management, vendors and suppliers management, and interdepartment coordination, office infrastructure and management, and local authorities coordination, and I also do event management sometimes, celebrity management sometimes. So like this, I am doing my duty as an executive security, and during my patrolling, I ensure that every staff performing their duty properly, and I also ensure that operation is going smooth. Customer safety is our first priority, so I have to ensure customer safety also, and I have to give a comfort atmosphere to the customers, because if they are not comfortable, then they, I don't think they want to come to the mall yet, uh, to a place which is not comfortable for them. So I need to ensure all these things. I need to ensure that our bathrooms, floors, everything is clean, neat and clean. If they are not neat and clean, then I have to inform concerned department like housekeeping, and I have to ensure estates and mall premises and periphery areas also uh, safe and sound. So, like this, I am performing my duty. And before executive security, I badge an assistant supervisor at same organization, and my duties were similar. And before that, I badge a CCTV operator, and as a CCTV operator, I had to monitor cameras whenever I'm in CCTV, and if I am seeing some suspicious thing, suspicious activity, or anything like that, then I have to inform about that to the field officer or the concerned senior. And in CCTV, I have managed equipment like DVR, NVR, VMS servers, and cameras. If there is some fault, then I have to contact vendor or AMC holder to rectify them. And I also manage in CCTV, HHMD, DFMD, and XPS machine, because I was performing as in charge, but my designation was CCTV operator. There were some CCTV operators who were on from the agency called 24 Secure, and we are from the mall side, uh, employer side. So like this, I have performed my CCTV operator's job, and before CCTV operator, I was a guest relation assistant at same organization, no, at IRPPL International Recreation Park Private Limited. And as guest relation assistant, I have to ensure customer safety. I have to explain about the right to the customers, because it was a amusement park called Bud of Wonders, which comes under the Great India Place Mall, and there were two zones. One is family zone, second is teen zone. So there were complimentary rides, there were complimentary bands, there were per day band, there were per ride bands. So I have to ensure that uh, I have to do the proper checking about the bands, because if there I do some mistake there, then it can be uh, blunder for me and blunder for the management. And so I have to ensure all these things, and I have to ensure customers' height, weight, because ride were designated according to the weight and height. So I need to ensure that proper person is going to the proper ride. And like this, I am performing my duties and my 50 plus years career, and I think my expertise can help you and help your organization. And your help, your organization will help me financially. So I want to join your organization. Thank you so much.